Good morning. I'm Steve from Quantamize, and you're going to want to watch this video because we're about to tell you the most important trends and news driving markets this morning. You're watching the Quantamize Global AM Markets Preview.
Good morning. Today's May 10th, 2019. The big news this morning is that tariffs have been increased. But why aren't markets selling off even more? Look, the reality is that the risk of tariffs was already priced in earlier this week, and there continues to be hope that Chinese and U.S. officials reach an understanding during today's trade talks. Risk premium in the markets have come down from earlier this week, with the VIX now sitting below 20. Really, at this point now is the time to add to names that may have overreacted to the news. Some of our favorites continue to be Chinese consumer tech and consumer names. Names like Alibaba, Yum China, Autohome, Bazoon, and the Invesco Technology ETF CQQQ. One of our favorite new ideas in the US is the Amplify Online Retail ETF, ticker iBuy. These are all names you should consider buying on the dip today. Now let me tell you about some really important stock news you need to be following this morning. Following a Wall Street Journal investigative report on insecurity, Care.com announces it's overhauling its business model and adding in-depth background checks for the caregivers who post on its site. Care.com has 33 million members and will pay a third-party provider to check criminal histories of caregivers, as well as verify their key personal data. Roku shares are surging to an all-time high after the video streaming platform announced first quarter results and a fiscal 2019 outlook that was ahead of analyst expectations. From the December low, Roku shares are up nearly 200% now. I'm personally rooting for this company. I think they're one of the good guys in the streaming wars. And finally, Uber prices its IPO at $45 per share, near the low end of the price range. Price range was $44 to $50. The IPO is raising $8.1 billion for Uber and values the company at about $82 billion. Uber's IPO makes it the highest valued IPO since Alibaba in 2014. Let the fun begin. I'm going to be closely following both Lyft and Uber stock prices to see how they interact with each other over the coming weeks.
Thanks for watching this video. We'd love to hear from you. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, leave a comment below, shoot us a tweet, or send us an email. Let us know what you think about our AM Markets Preview and some other points that you'd like us to mention. I'm Steve from Quantamize, and you were just watching the Quantamize Global AM Markets Preview.